we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want.
Creativity often looks like freedom, loose movement, clean visuals, calm control. Nothing feels rushed, nothing looks forced. But when you watch Ady Olivarez's content, there's something else beneath the polish. It's not chaos, it's engineered calm. And in some cities, calm doesn't just support creativity, it quietly replaces it. This is Divas X Lifestyle, where model-led visuals help us understand how digital creators survive inside real systems. If these breakdowns help you see creator life differently, hit like to support the channel, and subscribe for more system-based creator stories. Today, we explore structure versus creativity inside a highly ordered city system like Dubai, using Ady Olivarez's clean, disciplined visual style as a reference. We're not tracking where anyone lives, we're studying what happens when creativity is placed inside a system that removes randomness almost completely. Ady's visuals are controlled, her frames are deliberate, her presence is calm, centered, repeatable. What looks effortless is actually organized. Fashion creators like Ady don't rely on inspiration, they rely on predictability, lighting that doesn't change, spaces that behave the same every day, routines that don't break. But this is where many creators fail. What breaks first is predictability, not creativity. Ideas still exist, energy still exists, but output becomes irregular. When life becomes smooth, decisions multiply. When decisions multiply, friction returns. Should I shoot today or tomorrow? Should I keep it safe or try something new? Should I rest or push? Systems exist to remove these questions. Structure replaces motivation. Consistency survives when less is optional. This is the hidden truth of disciplined aesthetics. They demand disciplined environments, and this is where control quietly becomes a trap. When everything works, nothing pushes back. The lighting is perfect every day. The space behaves the same. The routine never breaks. So the mind stops adapting. Creators stop asking, how do I solve this? And start asking, how do I maintain this? Maintenance replaces exploration. Stability replaces curiosity. The system protects output, but slowly limits evolution. This is why some creators look consistent, but feel creatively frozen. Their content is clean, their rhythm is stable, but their edge disappears without noise. Not because they lost talent, but because nothing forces change anymore. Now place this kind of creator lifestyle inside a city like Dubai, not as a place, but as a system. Dubai is built to eliminate disorder. Movement is predictable, schedules are clean, processes are regulated. Nothing breaks without permission. For daily life, this feels like freedom. For creativity, it changes the rules. In cities like Dubai, the system does the thinking for you. Rules reduce mistakes. Processes remove uncertainty. Infrastructure absorbs friction. This is excellent for life, but dangerous for originality. Because creativity often comes from friction. Missed shots, broken plans, delayed movement, imperfect days. When friction disappears, experimentation slows. Creators refine what works, instead of discovering what's possible. And refinement feels productive, until growth stops quietly. In structured cities, housing is not just shelter, it's a contract with stability. Once space is secured, the calendar stops pushing back. Every upgrade raises the minimum output required to stay stable. Every fixed cost reduces flexibility. Reduced flexibility makes creativity fragile. When housing is stable, creators stop optimizing for efficiency and start optimizing for comfort. Comfort stretches timelines. Timelines stretch output. Output slows without resistance. The system doesn't stop you. It simply removes urgency. This is how pressure compounds quietly. Missed uploads break rhythm. Broken rhythm breaks visibility. Lost visibility increases stress. Stress reduces risk. Reduced risk produces safer content. Safer content reaches fewer people. The city does not punish immediately. It waits. By the time creators feel stuck, momentum is already gone. In Dubai, movement is efficient. Transport works. Routes are clear. Time is optimized. Efficiency saves time. Pressure consumes it. The city gives speed, but takes recovery. When movement is easy, creators say yes more often. More errands, more meetings, more microtasks. Days fill up without output increasing. Creativity becomes scheduled. Scheduled creativity becomes cautious. In Dubai, order doesn't just guide movement, it choreographs it. This is the tension of structured cities. Regulation creates safety. Safety reduces chaos. Reduced chaos removes friction, and friction is often what forces originality. When systems are too clean, creators stop adapting. They refine instead of experimenting. They repeat instead of risking. The system rewards control, not disruption. And this is where you come in. If your life feels smooth, but your output feels slower, it may not be laziness. It may be the system. If your days are comfortable, but your ideas feel safe, it may not be burnout. It may be order. And the hardest part? You don't feel the loss immediately. You just stop moving forward. This is not just about Dubai. Any highly ordered environment exposes weak systems. When output depends on visibility, structure becomes survival. High chaos cities force discipline. Low chaos cities demand it. One pushes you to act. The other tests whether you will. When a system removes randomness, what is left of creativity? And who decides that? The creator or the city? Thank you for watching Divas X Lifestyle, where model-led visuals meet real systems.